I am with Jack Tyler of Texas Private Chefs, and you're going to share with us your secret recipe for a Galician tapa.
Thank you. This dish is common throughout Spain. It's generally served as a tapas. We're going to serve it a little bit larger than that here, but here we are. This is the boss. That's what we're going to be using. And I'm going to do a really simple trim here. I'm cutting.
And what is this?
This is an octopus. And it has been cleaned already when I bought it. And what I'm doing is removing the eyes. Here's looking at you. All right?
Okay.
So, all right. The water's boiling. And what we're going to do is dunk it 3 times. And that's called scaring it. It makes it more tasty. It makes it more tender. 1. You see, it's already starting to curl up. 2. 3. And we'll do the same thing with the head. All right. Then we put onion, lemons, more onion, and garlic in there. And then I'm going to put it back on the fire to boil. So after boiling for 45 minutes, here we have a decidedly smaller octopus. And we were boiling potatoes at the same time the last 20 minutes. So we're going to put the potatoes down here. This is always served on a wooden plank. First thing we do is we will cut these into bite-sized pieces.
And you also said that a tip is to put it in the freezer?
You put it in the octopus in the freezer for at least 24 to 48 hours before you do it. And believe it or not, freezing tenderizes it.
Ah, good tip.
This is traditionally sold by bars and restaurants and served as a tapas, maybe a small amount of potatoes, and then some octopus on top. We're going to put, this is Spanish pimentón, or
Paprika.
Spanish paprika. And this is spicy.
Yummy, I like spicy.
And this is sweet.
So sweet paprika, okay.
Right. And then, last of all, is the best. This is cold pressed olive oil. It's extra virgin, premium, and this is from the first pressing, and it is drizzled over there. And that is the dish.
Flavors of Spain, right here in Houston.
Mm.